Assalamu alaikum. First thing first, Saudi Arabia has dismissed a UK newspaper report that Crown Prince Mohammad bin Salman is stalking the Manchester United and wants to tempt the Glazer family to cede control of the Premier soccer team. According to Information Minister Turkey al-Sayyab, the report is completely untrue. Dear viewers, the Crown Prince Mohammad bin Salman is right now in Pakistan. It is raining in the federal capital, where I believe he must be enjoying these moments. Matar or rain have a very special meaning in the sensibilities of the Arab people. Legendary Arab poet Badr Shakir al-Sayyab of the 20th century had said the following: Aina ka ghabitun nakhili saatun sahar, O shariftan rahayin innahum al-qamar. Aina ka hintabassumane tariqul kurum wa taraqsul ad-du'a kal aqmar fi nahar. Wa kirkirul al-ithfal fi arayshul kurum wa daqdaq al-samaat ala sifi ala shajar dafaru shattah fi artashat al-kharif wal maut والميلاد والظلام والضياء. Thank you very much. Last but not least, I would request you to please subscribe to my daughter Zainab Sarfraz Ahmad's channel in very large numbers. My name is Sarfraz Ahmad. أنا سرفراز أحمد نائب رئيس تحرير في جريدة كراچي باكستان. مني زبور سرفراز أحمد يا ربوتي دبا كراچي باكستان. باكستان زندہ باد.